Are you posting every week, but not getting more quote requests? And are your renewals starting to feel less predictable than they used to? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple 10-minute content system for insurance agents that turns posts into conversations, quotes, and a stronger client retention. Here is what we're going to cover. How to identify the exact pain your clients are already thinking about, how to turn that into a simple post for your social media, and how to use that post to drive replies, reviews, quotes, and cleaner, simpler renewals. This is no complex funnels. It's just a repeatable structure. And I learned this the hard way. I made 200 posts trying to sell my first book. It got 0 sales. But then I changed one thing. I've built and sold a 7-figure service business, and now I help insurance agencies install a simple marketing operating system that increases quotes and keeps clients without being stuck in daily operations. There's no fluff. It's just a clear frameworks that actually work. Here is what I did. I changed just one thing. Instead of explaining what I offered, I started naming what people were already feeling. 5 posts later, sales came in. And something else happened. See, conversations increased, trust increased, and retention improved. Here's the system you can use this today. Step 1, collect real client language, open a blank document, write down the top 3 frustrations you hear during renewal reviews, claim conversations, new quote calls. Not what you think they struggle with, what they actually say. Examples, I just don't know if I'm fully covered. My premium keeps going up, but I don't know why. I'm afraid something won't be covered when I actually need it. Write those down word for word. This takes just 5 minutes. Step 2, identify the retention risk. You're then going to ask, which one of these pains, if left unaddressed, causes someone to shop and look around? Circle that one. That's your message for the week. One pain, one post. Clarity increases trust. Trust increases renewals. Step 3, write the post using the formula. Pain, relief, a clear next step. That's it. Start with the pain. Most homeowners aren't stressed about price. They're stressed about finding out too late that they weren't covered. Then just give a small relief. That's why we review every policy before renewal so there are no surprises. Then give one clear next step. If you haven't reviewed your coverage in the last 12 months, message us for review and we'll schedule one. See, it's simple. It's direct. It's human. There's no jargon. There's no carrier breakdown, no technical overwhelm with any of this. Step 4, post with a retention goal. You're not just posting for new leads. You're reinforcing value for existing policyholders. When current clients see you naming their concerns publicly, they think they're proactive. They're paying attention. They actually understand what I care about. And that reduces silent shopping. Retention is strengthened when clients feel understood before renewals. Then step 5, track conversions, not likes, and ignore the vanity metrics. You need to track replies, direct messages, review requests. The conversation started early, and conversations lead to quotes. That's what protects renewals. This entire system takes about 10 minutes once you actually put it into practice. 3 pains, circle one, write 5 to 7 sentences, you post. Invite a simple response, and then just repeat. If you want to see if your current website and social media profiles are set up to be this clear and actually bringing clients in, then click the link in the description and I'll share with you my 10-minute audit for free. Just start there. This will give you even deeper clarity on where your messaging or your website might be losing trust before someone even calls. It's called the insurance buyer confusion test. But use this system first because it's simple. It's repeatable. It's retention focused because you don't need more content. You need clearer content that protects revenue and drives quotes at the same time. So try it this week. Then measure what changes. Now, if that resonated with you, watch this video next on why insurance agents are losing trust with their customers and how you can fix it.